one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Coup tanks in Harare, the 27th of August 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, several army tanks were spotted moving through Harare on Tuesday, rekindling memories of the dramatic November 2017 coup that toppled longtime ruler Robert Mugabe after 37 years in power. The unusual deployment of military hardware in the capital immediately triggered speculation of fresh instability, with many Zimbabweans recalling how similar scenes in 2017 preceded Mugabe's forced resignation. Then, armored tanks rolled into Harare under the command of General Constantino Chiwenga, who launched Operation Restore Legacy. The military claimed it was not staging a coup, but merely targeting criminals around the president. Within days, Mugabe stepped down, and his deputy Emerson Mnangagwa assumed the presidency. That moment remains deeply divisive. Supporters hailed it as the end of an era, but critics argue it entrenched military dominance in politics, giving Mnangagwa and Chiwenga unchecked power at the expense of democratic reforms. Against this backdrop, today's tank movements revived fears that the military could once again be flexing its muscle. Videos and images circulated widely on social media, with citizens speculating about power struggles inside ZANU-PF amid succession tensions. Presidential spokesperson George Charamba, using his pseudonymous X, formerly Twitter account Jamwanda, dismissed talk of a coup and insisted the deployment was linked to routine defense upgrades. MHNDO, YKUTNGA, YTSVMBO, ITSVA, YAPFURA, NDISATI, NDAGADZRSA, CHIVHITI, CHMASHOKO. Zimbabwe continues to upgrade its defense, CAPABLITIS, to deter any would-be AGGRSSORS. Weakness TMPTS, Charamba posted. While government insists the movements are about military readiness, the sight of tanks in Harare's streets has once again stirred public unease. For many, the heavy machinery is not a symbol of national defense, but a reminder of Zimbabwe's unresolved history of coups, contested legitimacy, and fragile stability.